In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort from highest to lowest in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for personal use or managing information for a project, knowing how to sort your data effectively is essential. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're comfortable doing it yourself. First, we need to open up Google Sheets. If you already have a sheet you've been working on, go ahead and open that. If not, feel free to create a new one or follow along with a sample sheet. Google Sheets is an excellent tool for handling and organizing large sets of data efficiently, so having it opened in your browser is the first step. Once your sheet is open, the next thing you want to do is select the cell or the range of cells that you want to be sorted. This is an important step because it determines which data will be affected by the sorting process. Suppose you've got a column of numbers or text you'd like to reorder from highest to lowest. Click on the header of that column or drag across the specific range you're interested in. This tells Google Sheets exactly where to look when it sorts the information. Next, we'll move to the top menu bar and click on Data. It's located between the Format and Tools tabs, and this opens up a menu of several options related to data handling. The data menu is incredibly useful and offers numerous ways to manipulate your data, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on sorting. Within the data menu, you'll see options like sort range and sort sheet. For our example of sorting from the highest value to the lowest, you'll choose either sort sheet by column A, Z to A, or sort range by column A, Z to A, depending on whether you're sorting the entire sheet or just a specific selection. Selecting Z to A is crucial here because it instructs Google Sheets to sort your data from the largest value down to the smallest. If you choose A to Z, it'll sort from smallest to largest instead, which isn't what we're aiming for in this instance. Once you've clicked the appropriate sorting option, you should see your selected column or range reorder itself with the highest values at the top. This simple yet effective process ensures that your data is organized exactly the way you want it, making it easier to analyze and present. And there you have it. You've successfully sorted your data from highest to lowest in Google Sheets. Feel free to experiment with different sorting settings and see what works best for your data needs. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes managing your spreadsheets a little bit easier.